Hi everyone, my name is Daniel, and in this video, I'm gonna show you about how much exactly I make from YouTube after several months of creating video. I have uploaded around more than 200 videos, and today I'm gonna show you how much I make from that amount of videos. So actually, my videos is all in personal finance niche. I create videos about investment, personal finance, how to manage money, how to invest, review about investing platform, and so on. So right now, my channel has around 5,500 subscribers, and in the last 2 days I get around 4,300 views. We'll later go to breakdown of my channel. I'm going to show you how much I get paid from the Google AdSense alone, because this is not including all of the income that I get from like affiliate marketing or endorse, brand deals, something like that. It's all purely from Google AdSense. Hopefully what I'm doing will give you some motivation, and also just in case you want to start a YouTube channel, you want to start to become a content creator on YouTube, I hope that this video can give you an insight about how much money that YouTuber can make. So actually, money is a difficult topic to discuss. Many people might not convenient about talking it online. Just imagine you're walking down the street and some random guy will come at you and ask about how much money you make. Maybe most of you will turn that guy down and you will not answer anything. Maybe some people will do, some people will tell about how much money they make, but most of you maybe won't do it. So in this video, I'm gonna show about how much money that I make. So first, I'm gonna show you about the growth of my channel. How to check the channel growth? You can go to Social Blade. So Social Blade is an online platform to check about so many social media accounts. You can check YouTube account, Facebook account, Instagram account, TikTok account. You can see how the channel is growing, how the channel is performing. You could just easily go to socialblade.com, and then right here you just click what kind of social media is it. Then you just type right here. Then we just type right here my channel name. My channel name is Investor Habit Official. So we just click on them, we just click search, and then we will get to the page. And then right here you can see I've uploaded around 259 videos, and then the current subscriber count is 5,500. Total video views 400,000 something. And then country Indonesia. Channel type education, user created April 17, 2013. So right here you can see how is my channel performing. You can see what's the rank, and then subscriber rank, video rank, country rank, education rank. Right here you can see how much subscriber that you get in the last 30 days. In the last month, how much subscriber I create, how much subscriber is coming and newly subscribed to my channel. So right here you can see the estimated monthly earning, but right here is really depend on your YouTube CPM. So like every channel has different CPM and RPM. This is just an estimated amount. If you click the question mark right here, you can see the default estimated CPM range from Social Blade is 0.25 until 4 USD. So if your channel is making more than 4 USD, might be you are making more than this amount of money according to the view that you get. You can see right here I got around 50,000 view in the last 30 days, in the last month. And then this is like the amount of subscriber growth. This is how much money I make in a month. And then right here is the video views weekly. So as you can see right here, every day I get around 10 until 20 subscribers. You can see daily average is around 16, and I can see the growth of my channel every single day, because every single day I get a thousands view. It's around 1,000 something. As you can see right here, daily average is 1,700 something. So in a month I get around 50,000 view. Okay, right now I'm gonna show you the analytics. So as you can see, per day I get around almost 2,000 views, but the number keep on fluctuating. Sometimes it will go up and sometimes it will go down. And then right here is the watch time. Watch time is ranging around 100 until 150. And then the subscriber count, I get around 10 until 20 subscribers a day. And right here you can see how much money in the last 28 days YouTube has made me through AdSense. I make around $146. If we go to the revenue right here, you can see my CPM is around 2.77. So actually this CPM is pretty good in my country. In my country, if you doing content like gaming or other than finance niches, you can make around $1 RPM. But right here in my channel, I make around 2.7 RPM. So it's pretty good. But if you compare them with the country in like the US and the European country and Australia, I think this number is relatively low. As you can see, my CPM is around 4.37. So CPM is actually the amount of money that advertisers pay to YouTube to put ads. Like this is the cost per mil, or amount of money that they pay every 1,000 views. And right here is the amount of money that I receive every 1,000 ads views. So like YouTube will take some cut of it, So this is like the net amount. This is just a gross amount. Okay, so right now we will dive deep into all of my content. if you can see right here, I have around 200 something content. And if we sort by view, as you can see right here, this is all of my most performing videos. You can see I only have one videos which has more than 100,000 views. The other video is less. You can see my second best performing is 1,000, 10,000, 9,000, 7,000, 7,000. But the like is pretty good. I get around almost 100% like rates. There are more people who like this video rather than the dislike. You can see 1,200 likes and then 50 something dislike, and it's pretty much the same on all contents. Okay, so right now I'm gonna show you how much this single video is creating. As you can see right here, this video get around 100,000 views. You can click right here, monetization, and then you can go right here to analytics. You can see how much is this video making. This video, since it was published, it has made me around $243, and this single video alone has made me around 1,100 subscribers, also getting me around 8.4 thousand watch time. So this single video is helping me to get monetized on YouTube, because as you know, if you wanna get monetized on YouTube, you have to get a minimum 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So right here, this single video is making me 8,400 hours of watch time, also making me around 118,000 views. So even if I post only this single video, it will help me to get monetized on YouTube. But the thing is, in YouTube, you never know the outcome of your post. You may be posting like so many content and you don't know which one will blow up. So the thing is, in YouTube, you have to make so much content and you just see which content is performing good in your channel, and then you double down on that one. So maybe you just post like 10 videos, you post like 20. After that, you will see which video is performing the best out of your channel. Then you just double down on that one. Right here, if you can see, actually this content is talking about mutual fund. So this is, I review one of the mutual fund in my country. It's called Bybit. So actually I review Bybit, and then I teach my subscriber how to withdraw money, how to top up money, how to use the mutual fund, how to use the service. I also do some review and then giving my opinion about how to use it, and then showing people how to invest. As you can see, this video is so simple. I even just recorded in the phone. You can see the ratio is vertical videos. So even this single video is performing pretty good. So in YouTube, the thing is like you never know which of your video that will blow up, which of your video will performing real well. Sometimes you will create one content and you will think this video must be really good, this video will blow up, and then suddenly it will not. And then the other day you will just create one video, you didn't expect anything, then suddenly that video will blow up. So like you never know which video that will blow up. So the thing is like, if you wanna be creator on YouTube, just keep on creating a new videos and you will see. And after some time you will see which one is performing good in your channel. And the good thing about YouTube is it's pretty passive income. So like even if you are not making videos, you can still earn money. So as you can see right here, this video I posted like maybe around 6 months ago. You can see the date is since December 20. Now is August the 13th. This video has been in YouTube for around 8 or 9 months, and right now the video is still getting some views. It means that this video is still creating money, and in the future this video will keep on creating money. As long as people come to this video, people will watch it, and then people will get the ads, and then I will still keep on earning money out of this video. So even if I'm not uploading new videos, I will still get views on this single content. But the thing is like, if you don't upload for a long time, maybe your channel will slowly dies down. So make sure to upload as much as possible and as regular as possible. In this channel, I might not be uploading a lot because I'm still focusing on my channel. Maybe after some time, after this channel is getting bigger, maybe I will try to put more focus on this, my second channel. So if you can see, my second best performing channel, it's so far it has created me around $17. As you can see, I think the revenue right here is pretty low. You can see the RPM is only 1.8 and the CPM is around 2. If we compare with my best performing videos, you can see the RPM is pretty different. This one is 2 and then the CPM is 3.57. So the thing, like every video will have different CPM and RPM. It just will depend on what topic are you talking about, what videos is it about, is it something related to online, is it something related to business, is it something related to finance, investment, and something like that, maybe e-commerce. That kind of videos will make so much money. And as you can see, this RPM is in my country. If you're in US, if you're in maybe Australia, you will make much more money than this. You will make around 20 or 30 maybe RPM. I even see some YouTuber make around 40 or 60 RPM. I think it's pretty good. So right now in this channel is also an experimental channel. I want to see about how much RPM that I will get if I'm creating an international content. So if I go to this channel, you can click on this one, monetization. This is the requirement that you need to reach in order to get monetized on YouTube. You have to get around 1000 subscribers and also 4000 watch hour, and this will be accumulated from all of the videos that you have on your channel. After that, you have to submit an appeal before YouTube accept you to be part of the YouTube partner program. Then after you join, the moment you get approved, you can start to set the ads. Even you can set ads to the all of your previous video, including the videos that you posted before you get monetized. But the video need to be eligible. So that's why before you start creating content, I really encourage you to read the YouTube community guideline, so you will know how to create content which will be approved for the YouTube monetization. This channel only got 2 content so far, so in the future I will keep creating content on this channel. I hope that this channel will help all of you guys. I think that's all from me for today. If you find this video is useful for you, please help me by liking this video and hit the subscribe button for me. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.